In this video, you're going to learn how you can make anywhere from $100 to $500 every single day with YouTube Shorts as a beginner in 2022. The first thing that I want to let you know is that anybody can do this. It does not matter how many subscribers you have in your channel right now. It doesn't matter how many views you're getting. You don't need to be famous to do this. And to prove this to you, I'm going to be showing you some channels that have gone from 0 to 1 million subscribers really fast by posting YouTube Shorts. And these channels have gone from making $0 a day to $500 every single day in purely passive income. Now, if you like to make money online, this channel is all about making money online. And I literally post videos every single day on how you can do that. So if you don't want to miss out on those videos, go ahead and subscribe to this channel right now. And now that you're subscribed, let's get straight into the video. One thing I want to mention here is that towards the end of this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys something that I prepared only for you guys, my subscribers, something that I saw that most of you guys have doubts towards, and I want to solve that problem by giving you guys a very lucrative solution. Now, for those of you guys that don't know what YouTube Shorts are, basically YouTube Shorts are 0 to 60-second videos that YouTube made to compete with TikToks. It's basically TikToks in the YouTube platform, and they named it YouTube Shorts. And YouTube Shorts alone in YouTube have gained trillions and trillions of views, according to the CEO of YouTube. And right now, the easiest and fastest way that you can use to grow a YouTube channel is through YouTube Shorts. I've made a video about this before in this channel, and one of the things that I keep getting from you guys is the doubts that if you can use other people's content or not. And that's one of the things that I'm going to be answering in this video. So why do most people have this doubt if you can use other people's content or not? Because most other people's content have copyright, and some people don't like it when you use their content. And one of the fastest ways to grow your channel using YouTube Shorts is to be able to use other people's content of famous people, content of people that other people already know, proven content that have been proven to get views. All of those contents together grow a YouTube channel exponentially. And the reason that I mention this is because YouTube does not pay a lot of money towards the YouTube Shorts AdSense. So the workaway around that is to be able to use affiliate marketing with YouTube Shorts. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use other people's content and affiliate marketing to have a proven content that you can get views and get sales. So the first channel that I want to show you today is this channel called Vlog Squad World. And this channel was started about a year ago. As you guys can see here, I went to their channel and I sorted their videos as the oldest videos. So as you guys can see, the oldest video was posted about a year ago and it has 23,000 views. And what this channel does, it reposts TikToks from other people, from famous people. And if you come here to the most popular videos that they have on their channel, you're going to see that they have videos with 182 million views, 142 million views, 59 million views, 18 million views, 15 million views, 15, 13, 11, 9.5, 9.4, 9.3. And all these videos have helped them get to 322,000 subscribers. And you can bet this channel is making a lot of money. And as you guys can see, they're not posting long form content. And I just told you that YouTube AdSense does not pay a lot of money towards YouTube Shorts. So you might be wondering, how are they making that money, right? And if you go to Social Blade, you're going to see that this channel is pulling, I think on this month, this is the amount of total views they have on their channel. And they've actually been declining a lot, but I can see here that they haven't posted any new videos for a month now. So they've kind of left the channel alone for a month. So that's why their views here have declined. But I know this channel has been pulling millions and millions of views every single month. And all they're doing is just reposting other people's content from TikTok. Another channel that I want to show you guys is Viral Block. This channel here has gone from 0 to 1.1 million subscribers in less than 1 year. As you guys can see here, if I sort their videos out from oldest to newest, their oldest video is 1 year old and it has 160 million views. And they have like loads of views, videos with lots of views. Let me sort out by most popular. And as you guys can see here, this channel has videos with 432 million views. That's just insane. It has 160 million views, 34 million views, 27, 9.2, 8.8, 8.5, 8.4, 8.1, 6.3. So they have lots of videos with millions of views, right? and all they're doing is reposting other people's TikToks. So these people, they're not even showing their face. They're not editing videos. They're not recording videos. They don't need a camera. They don't need anything. They're not editing anything. They're just literally downloading other people's video and reposting it on their channel. And they literally made 1.1 million subscribers in less than a year. So what I mean by this is that you can literally take this channel and go from 0 to lots of subscribers really fast. Literally from day one, you can start making money. And that's because you don't have to spend any money to start doing this. You don't have to have editing skills. You don't have to record videos. You don't need any equipment. All you have to do is download a video and repost it. And you can bet this channel here is making a lot of money. And I'm going to show you in just a minute how they're doing it. The next channel on our list is going to be Viral TikTok, and it's the same thing as the other ones. It's just reposting other people's TikToks. As you can see, the name of the channel already says it. They take viral TikToks and they repost it on their channel. And as you can see, also this channel here, the oldest video on the channel is 1 year ago. They have 577,000 subscribers. And if you go here and sort by the most popular videos, you're going to be seeing that they have 95 million views, 70 million views, 48 million views, 32 million views, 30 million views, 23 million views. And you know, it just goes on and on and on, millions and millions and millions of views. And I'm going to show you guys in just a sec how you can use this to make a lot of money. If you get, you know, 1% of these views, you can make more than $500 every single day. And if you go to their about page, you're gonna be seeing that they joined in October 2020. So they have 1 billion views on their channel. This is just crazy, guys. And they have their contact email here, and for any reason anyone wants their videos deleted, they can delete their video ASAP. So recredited or deleted will do accordingly ASAP. So what this means is if the person, let's say they took my video and they re-uploaded it and I didn't like that, and I shoot them an email and I ask them to delete the video, they'll do so. And this is going to keep them from having any sort of copyright issues. And the other thing that they also do is they credit the creator in the description of the video. So if you have something like this in place, if you credit the creator, if you credit the person that made the video, and you also have a email for people to contact you if they're unhappy that you reposted that video, you're going to be protecting yourself from any kind of copyright infringement. But I can tell you from personal experience that most people don't even mind, because when you do this, you're going to be giving those people more exposure. So they don't really care. So now that you know how they're doing it, you need to know also how to start a YouTube channel that can also do this. So before I show you how to monetize your channel, I'm going to be showing you how you can start a channel that you can download other people's content and repost it to yours, right? So if you want to go like with TikTok, which is the platform that has the most viral videos right now, which is what most people are choosing, you can just search for any TikTok video downloader on Google. You can also do this for Instagram Reels if you want to, but you know, since we're going with TikTok for this video, I just searched TikTok video downloader here on Google, and you're going to be faced with a TikTok video downloader. So the website here is snaptik.app//en. But if you just type it on Google, I'm pretty sure that you're going to be finding, you know, loads of TikTok video downloaders on Google. It's easy to find. Now, after you have the TikTok video downloader on your computer, what you want to do is you want to go to tiktok.com. So after you're here in the TikTok main page, you want to search for you page or FYP, you know, it doesn't matter. They're kind of the same thing. So once you're here in this page, what you want to do is look for a viral video, which you can find plenty of them in here, because the For You page is, you know, the biggest page in TikTok. So the most viewed videos will always be in this page here. And as you guys can see here, videos have 26, 63, 243 million views. So, you know, this panda here in this thing, I don't even know what it is, to be honest. You could just take this video and you could copy the link to it, post it here, download the video, and after you downloaded it, you know, it's pretty straightforward. Let's download it in full HD. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've downloaded the video, and it's as easy as that. It's already in my computer, and all you have to do right now is upload this video to your YouTube channel with the credits to the original creator in the description of your video. And also you have to add your contact details in your about section of your YouTube channel. So if people are unhappy that you reposted their content, they can get in touch with you and ask you to remove the video. And if they do, you just remove it, and that's it. So since I downloaded this video of this panda, I could just say the guy that posted it is called Rural Dancer 8. I could just copy his username, go into my description, and then I could say, you know, video or originally posted by the creator, this guy here. And I could post his name, the link to his TikTok account, and, you know, I'll be getting him more exposure. He would be happy with it. I would be happy with it because I'm also getting the views, and I'm going to show you how you can monetize those views in just a sec. You're going to be happy with it because you're going to be making a lot of money, and you know, everyone wins. And this way you can literally download several videos. You could go through this page here, take the most viewed videos. You could take this one with 35 million views, this one with 38, this one with 18. You could take this one with 42. And then you could download like 10 videos and you can post 10 videos every single day. And, you know, it's no work at all. All you have to do is come here, copy the link, and go to your YouTube channel and repost the video. You could literally post 10 of these every single day and get like lots and lots of views. So with all of that noted, I want to tell you that you need to be consistent with it. You know, most people, they post one short, they do it for a day, they do it for 2 days, a week, maybe a month, and they don't get any results like right off the bat, and they just give up on it. If you want to have results with this, you need to stick to your strategy. I can almost guarantee you that if you stick to this for a certain amount of time, that you're going to be getting some viral videos and you're going to be growing your channel. As I showed you, those channels that I showed you, they're literally doing the same thing that I've just showed you how to do right now. And they've grown their channel to, you know, 500,000 subscribers, 1 million subscribers in 1 year. So nothing, literally nothing is stopping you from doing this and having similar results. Let's say you get 100,000 subscribers. That's also awesome, right? You could make a lot of money off of 100,000 subscribers. So you need to be consistent. If you're not consistent, then I don't know if you're going to get results. But if you're consistent, then I can almost guarantee that you're going to have results doing this. So now into the best part of the video. How are these people monetizing their channels? Well, they're monetizing their channels through brand deals, sponsorships, and community posts. And through all of these, I'm going to show you the best way to do it. And they also monetize their channels through affiliate marketing. So with affiliate marketing, what you have to do is you have to affiliate yourself to some kind of product that can give you a commission whenever you make a sale. And I made a video about this on my channel like a month ago about this, showing you how you can go into ClickBank and affiliate yourself to something that can give you up to 85-90% commissions and up to $185 per sale. Or you can come somewhere like Digistore24. As you guys can see here, you can affiliate yourself to this product here. It's giving out an 85% commission, and you can earn up to $156.21 per sale of each product that you sell. That is one way of doing it. The other way, you can use CPA marketing. You could go to an affiliate marketplace like the CPA Grip that I showed you a few days ago as well. And in that website, they're going to pay you for each action that someone takes. Actually shown you guys this method through my other videos and lots of other videos as well. And for sponsorships, once you start getting some views, you're going to add your email address, like I said, to your about section on your YouTube channel. And once people see that you're getting lots of views, they're going to be interested in making sponsorships and partnerships with you. So what they're going to do is they're going to send you an email offering you some kind of sponsorship offer. And lots of times you can get from $500 up to $1,500 per post that you make. So in these sponsorships, they can ask you to do either community posts, or they can ask you to do posts in your video description with a certain link that they want you to post. And this is how most of those YouTubers make money. There's literally thousands of people that want to do sponsorships every single day, especially when you're getting those many views, millions of views. Everyone wants to be in front of millions of people. So they pay top dollar for you to make a community post, for you to make a description post, anything with some kind of product that they want to sell. And now comes the good part. Let's say that you don't want to take other people's content. You're afraid, because I know many of you are afraid to take other people's content. So I came up with a solution that can help you guys out. So what I'm going to be doing is I came up with a project in which I post YouTube shorts every single day. As you guys know, I post free YouTube shorts every day. I post free Instagram reels every day, and I post free TikToks every single day. And from all of those TikToks, reels, and YouTube shorts that I've posted, I've picked out only the best performing ones and I put them in a certain Google Drive folder. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be giving you guys access to that folder for free. So in this folder, I'm going to be giving you permission to use my content to post on your channel so you can get views. These are videos that are proven to get views. I've only picked the best videos that I've posted. Some of them tank and some of them did very well. And the ones that did very well, I'm going to pick them out. I'm going to put them in a Google Drive folder and I'm going to give you guys access. I'm going to give you the link so you can go to that folder, download the video and repost that content on your YouTube channel. And since the content is mine and I'm giving you permission to use it, you don't have to worry about copyright. And on top of that, I'm coming up with a new product, which I'm going to be selling for $997. And I'm going to be giving each one of you an affiliate link, if you want one, that you can put on the description of your videos to make sales. And the affiliate link that I'm going to give you is for my new product that I'm launching right now that is going to be costing $997. And I'm going to be giving you a 25% commission on each sale that you make. So basically, each sale that you make, you're going to be earning $250. So I'm going to be giving you my own videos so you can use to put on your YouTube channel to get views. I'm going to be giving you an affiliate link for a product that I own that you're going to be getting 25% commissions, which is priced at $250 per sale that you make. And every time that you post a video of mine that you get 10,000 views, I'm going to be giving you $10. All you have to do is show me the video that you posted, show me the views that you got. I'm going to be checking if the views are real. And if they are, I'm going to transfer you $10 on your PayPal account or whichever transfer method that you prefer. So for 10,000 views, I'm going to be paying $10. For 50,000 views, I'm going to be paying $30. For 100 to 500,000 views, I'm going to pay $50 to $100. And if you get more than 500,000 views with a video of mine, I'm going to be paying you $200. But keep in mind, all of those views have to be real. I'm going to be checking them to see if they're legit. Some of the videos that I'm going to be uploading on a Google Drive folder, they are already edited, but I'm also going to be posting new videos raw. So you guys that have editing skills, you can take my videos and you can edit them in a way that gets lots of views. And I encourage you to be very creative when doing this. The more creative you are and the more effort you put in, the more views you're going to get, the more money you're going to make. You're going to be making money because I'm going to be paying you for your views. I'm going to be paying you for the affiliate link that you're going to be making sales, and I'm going to be giving you the content. So you're going to be getting paid in many ways, and you're also going to be growing your YouTube channel. And on top of that, I'm also going to be making a training for you guys very, very soon. These stuff that I'm talking about aren't ready yet. I'm going to be making these. I'm going to be selecting all of my content, putting them in the Google Drive folder, and I'm also going to be launching the product that I talked about in a few weeks. I'm starting to get the product done. So in a few weeks, it'll be ready. But for now, I'm only going to be posting the videos on the Google Drive folder. And maybe by the time you're watching this, everything's already done. So if you're interested, I'm going to be leaving a link down in the description. Go to the description of this video, click that link. It's going to be saying affiliate project link. And I'm going to put the link in front of it. You just click that link. You leave your email. I'm going to send you the link and all the instructions that you need to know. And you're going to be getting access to the Google Drive folder so you can get paid and you can get the training that I'm going to be giving you. Now, with all this said, there is no more excuses for you not to grow on YouTube and make money. You could literally do any of these methods that I told you today. You could use viral TikToks to post on your account. You could take my videos. You could take other people's videos. You could use CPA marketing, get sponsorships. You can use my affiliate link. You can use my videos, get views and get paid by me directly. So there are lots of ways that I've just given you in one video for you to make a lot of money. So there's no more excuses. And if you're excited to start working with me as well, just click the link down below and check out all the material that I've prepared for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments below and I'll get back to you really, really fast. Remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the future videos. And if you like this video and you want to learn how you can do all of these marketing techniques that I've just talked about in this video, like CPA marketing and the other stuff that I talked about, you can click this video right here and you're going to be redirected to that video. I'll see you on the other side. Work hard, play harder.